suppose we are live, guys. Hello, everyone. If I am live, give me a thumbs up to indicate that I'm live so that we can start the conversation then. So, doctor will wait for someone to give us a thumbs up there. So, you are live on Momo Mumbai Moms, and I'm Neha Karekanabar. I'm the founder of Momo Mumbai Moms.
Hi, Neha.
Hi. And this is a community with 1,34,000 buzzing mothers who are, right now watching you live on this interactive session. Now, guys, okay, so I've already got a lot of thumbs up, a lot of people are already sending you a lot of smileys, a lot of flowers. Okay, so great. So, guys, today's conversation will be a 20-25 minutes live. Hi, Kimi. We are not audible? Better now? You give me an okay and then we start. Hi Vanita, are we audible? Hi Hetal, good to see you here. Hi Nikita. So give me a thumbs up if I'm audible. Today we are having this interactive session with Dr. Poonam Sharma, who is, I suppose, the star right now on Momo Mumbai Moms. Yesterday I was seeing your post, doctor. People were so happy with the entire post what you shared. A lot of people were asking a lot of queries. That was a very hot responsive post where you were also very sweet to give them a lot of answers, and people were showing a lot of interest. So I thought rather than she posting something and you guys today, spare me my throat today, and you were asking a lot of questions to her, so that indicated it to me that you want to meet a doctor like this, and therefore we just connected, and she was very sweet to give us time today and come on board to have a live discussion with you all. So hi ST, hi Shraddha, hi Sonal, hi Nikita. Yeah, so basically today, just to give a little introduction on what are we doing on this live, we are doing an interactive live session with Dr. Poonam Sharma on non-surgical ear holes repair. Yes, it's possible. It's called oroplasty in the medical language. Basically, at times this procedure, at times whenever you have this kind of problems, you generally have this big earlobes. If you want to wear expensive diamonds and other things, you are always thinking, you have this fear that you might lose them, and that time you're looking out for a procedure which is painless, which is safe, which is economical at the same time, which is a non-surgical method. And here we have doctor out here who can give you a solution like that. And Dr. Poonam Sharma, first to begin with, first of all, a very warm welcome, and thank you for what you have done on the post, and thank you for coming in here to talk to our mothers.
Thank you, Neha.
Okay, and doctor, to start with, if I want to know about your qualifications, because being a doctor, you have a lot of trust on people like you. So if you can just tell our viewers.
Yes, Neha, I'm a homeopath. I have done my homeopathy from Nagpur, and after marriage I came to Bombay, and in Bombay I did my cosmetic course. I did it with Dr. Anil Nedale, the ear hole repair. I did it with Mariam Zaveri, and also Dr. Kiran Parekh. But right now I'm only practicing ear hole repair, not doing anything else.
Wow.
And with very good response, not only in Bombay, I think we have more than 14 cities all over India.
14, that's like
so
wonderful.
It's like every week 2 cities we do it, and excellent. The results are excellent. I can promise you about the results. And
okay, so since 1997, guys, she's been practicing on the same thing.
No, from 2003, it's only oroplasty.
Only oroplasty.
Only. 1997, 2003, I can say yes, everything was there going around. But since 2003, I'm only into oroplasty.
So after you've understood there's a lot of demand and people need that kind of help, you've started focusing.
The results are very good. I can say results are very good. So
amazing.
You get very good results, then you want to just do the same thing.
Okay. Okay, doctor, we'll keep looking there. Okay, amazing. So doctor has said that she's been practicing for quite some time, and I suppose there are only few experts who have this kind of experience in this domain. Now, what exactly is this domain? What is oroplasty all about? First, we'll ask the doctor, because she'll give us the right definition of oroplasty, because what I know of, it's a non-surgical ear holes repair procedure, but she can throw better light on it. So doctor, what?
By wearing big earrings or by not wearing. Some of you say I don't wear but still my ear holes become big. Maybe your skin is soft, or an accidental pulling, or maybe some reasons we don't know. So these are the few reasons when your holes become big.
Okay.
So what we do is, without any stitches, we close the holes completely and make a fresh new hole same time.
Same time,
yes,
wow.
that is one thing. We don't like normally if you go for stitches, you have to wait, or there are a lot of
Yeah.
people, you know, they
In
go.
fact, one of my friend went to a parlor and got it
Oh,
done, and
yes.
she spoiled the entire case,
Yes,
doctor.
yes, people.
So do you recommend them going to a beauty parlor?
Well, in beauty parlor, I think you should go for some beauty procedure, not for this. But yes, when you, okay, it is up to you. It is definitely somebody you take a call. But yes, when we close it, we make a new hole. I
At the
do
same
not.
time.
Yes,
Wow.
I don't call you for the second time, and only once. That's
Only
it.
once, yeah.
And I don't get people coming to me again that okay, there was some problem or whatever. I'm always there. If there is some problem, I tell them agar problem ho to zarur aana. But I don't get people coming again. So I can say yes, this is something, yes, without stitches and one-time job.
Okay, so doctor, already my mothers have started asking, Jaina's asking, send addresses and contact, and doctors already highlighted that she has many
Yes.
branches. So doctor, if you
In
can tell us
Bombay,
more.
I'm in Cooperage right now. I'm in my Nariman Point clinic. We have
It's
it.
amazing view out from here.
Okay,
We are overlooking the football ground.
We are in Andheri, in Lokhandwala.
Okay.
Also, we have a branch in Chembur. So Bombay, we have three things. So apart from Bombay,
3 branches in Bombay.
Yes.
So Andheri,
Chembur,
Chembur
and also
and the Cooperage.
Cooperage. We have a clinic in Daisar also, which is right now in renovation. So we may take a month or something to come back again to Daisar also.
Oh, lovely. So 4 clinics right now in Bombay,
Yes,
Daisar, Andheri West, Cooperage, and I'm missing the 4th one.
Chembur.
Chembur one.
Okay.
I
I am
suppose you
here.
have very well covered the entire Bombay.
Yes,
Yeah,
entire.
correct.
Dr. Lalit Sharma, my husband, he takes care for the suburbs.
Okay.
I take care for this because this is close to my
So
house.
if you want to meet this beautiful lady, you have to come to Cooperage only. But jokes apart, doctor's husband, Dr. Lalit Sharma, is also very renowned doctor in this field. And if you want to go to a nearby place, you can definitely try that. But as doctor's already told you, she just calls you once and gets it done. So you don't really have to have repeated visits. So of course, I suppose this is also a very centralized place, and people can come in there. Okay, doctor, my mothers are already asking to send address. What I'll do, Alpa, as soon as this live is over, in the wall copy post, I'll put Dr. Poonam Sharma's number, her website, her clinic addresses and everything, so that you guys can contact her directly. In fact, that was the motive of doing this live, because I thought, because when she has put up a post and people were really responding very positively, I thought why not to bring in an expert like this, because there was a lot of demand from you all on this specific procedure. And here Dr. Vanita is asking a apt question. She's saying, my mom-in-law got her ear stitched and she got a big red bubble after that. What can be done? And there's no pain but an ugly red
Yes,
bubble.
the red bubble comes, Vanita. You must have heard people say कि चना खाने से चना आता है. The chana doesn't come because of eating chana. It is because the new hole is not cleaned properly. So there must be the pus formation and the bubble is there. So the only thing is that either you puncture the bubble or be with the bubble.
Oh, lovely. So I suppose, Vanita, you have got the answer that, it can be cured, and she can bring in her mother-in-law.
Oh
to
yes,
you.
anytime.
Okay, Vanita, you should definitely try and coming here. And Sneha is saying, super, wish I knew before my mom-in-law would have benefited from it. No worries. Okay, Sureka is saying I am anyways looking for it. So I suppose, Sureka, in this entire interim conversation, I'll ask a lot of questions which are very important from your point of view, and you guys have already, given these questions to me. So, doctor, the first question which is coming to you is, of course you are there in Bombay, but do you really have a all over India presence also?
Yes, we
And if
have.
yes, which all cities?
Okay, we have it in Delhi. We have 3 hospitals in Delhi. Every month we have a Delhi visit.
Okay.
So Calcutta, Chennai. I will be on 12th in Madurai, 13th of September in Bangalore.
Okay.
So Bombay, Delhi. You can go on my website and check. There are 14 cities which is in India. I'm doing it.
Okay.
And we did once in Nepal also last year.
Oh wow. So she's not just in India, she's also even extending her branches outside. And guys, again, I'll put in her website details there for you to check out what all cities she's traveling to. And Vanita's already saying, I want to go to the Lokhandwala branch and I'm coming there. Okay, Vanita, fantastic. But, doctor, I want to understand from you, because a lot of people who I know have gone through this process, and not really oroplasty but different processes, they wanted to understand, is it really painful?
It is not at all painful.
No
but
pain at all.
No. Right now, see, my patients are sitting there.
Yeah, I
You
saw
can
some
see.
of your patients are
Yes,
can
you
we
can-
call one of
yes,
them?
why not? They are smiling. Okay, they are
Yes.
smiling. That means it's not painful.
Yeah, not like a dentist clinic. This is
No,
like that.
but yes, it depends on your threshold. threshold. Lot of time patients come, look at me and then say, oh, dukh raha hai. So now I can't do anything for that, but it's not painful.
I feel because the patients are outside, I'll just call one of them to come in and share her experience, because I personally feel we are a community of mothers and we recommend each other. So if there's a patient who can talk like a testimonial, that'll be like the fantastic thing. So can we tell?
Yeah, we're
Okay.
just calling someone, so you can just ask her, was it painful?
Okay, so till the time a pretty lady arrives in here, because I'm seeing a lot of patients outside, I don't know who's coming in and yeah.
Send the patient, no?
Yeah. Okay, so she's sending someone. Interim, she's coming in, doctor. I wanted to understand. We have a lot of mothers, yeah. So all of them have little babies there. Is baby piercing possible?
Oh yes, we do a painless piercing. No pain for the baby piercing.
And what age group do you recommend?
3 months onwards.
3 months onwards. So
Yes.
if you have a little baby doll and you want to do the procedure of piercing, don't go to any any goldsmith or any beauty parlors, guys. Please go to an expert.
We use a specific earring. This is the Inverness earring. This is
Can I
specifically.
show that to them?
Yeah, why not?
This one, right?
Only for babies, only for children.
Is it
we use.
visible, guys? Okay, so this is a safety ear piercing and this is used only for kids. This is a specialized earring what she's using. Okay, and so of course it is safe, as the doctor said, from 3-month-old baby to any age group can come in and safely get the procedure done. And now we have a beautiful patient who's smiling for a change. She just underwent her thing, and let's bring her in front of the camera and let's see what has she got done. Come in, ma'am. What's your
Please
good
come.
name?
Varuna.
Come,
please
Varuna,
come.
please come.
Varuna Ramrakhani.
So Varuna, I am quitting my seat for you. So please come in, join in the live. So we are live, Varuna, on Mumo Mumbai Moms, which is a community of 1,34,000 mothers who are watching you live right now.
Hi to everybody, Varuna.
And Varuna, you have a beautiful smile and you are here for some treatment. If you can tell our mothers what exactly it is and what have you got done on your ear. And I can see a bandage. Yes,
Varuna had 2 holes in one hole.
There, yeah,
Okay,
you told me.
Varuna had 2 holes in one ear and 1 hole. So we closed all the 3 holes and made a new hole for her. And we are done with the treatment with her. And I hope it was not painful, Varuna.
No, madam.
And
Nothing.
How was the experience, Varuna, if you can tell our viewers?
No pain at all.
No pain at all?
Nothing. No swelling. No pain. No
Okay.
heaviness.
What exactly was your problem, Varuna?
I have 2 holes in one side.
Oh my
left
God.
side,
she
and
did it with somebody.
and 1 hole in the
So she is a patient who has come in here with a spoiled case already. She had 2 holes in one, and she
Left
wanted,
side.
guys. You should just focus. Of course, we are all laughing about it, but then the person who's going through it understands that if somebody has really spoiled a case like that, not many doctors take up these kind of cases. So, doctor, I've heard that this is your USP, that you accept all kind of cases.
Yes, I
But to tell our viewers.
like to do some cases which are really bad, which you can go on my website and see the holes which are a heart-shaped hole, a W-shaped hole,
Oh my.
different types of ear holes, and I like to do them.
Okay, so if you have a design there on your hole, it has to be round only. If it's not round, do come into the doctor. Thank you, ma'am,
Thank
for
you so
spending time
much,
with us.
Varuna.
Okay,
And she's
thank you.
waiting for her procedure to get done. Okay, so lovely. So you had an amazing patient also talking about the testimonial, and she was smiling all the time, guys. So that says it's really no pain, no burning, no medications are also required,
Not
doctors?
needed. Medications are not usually needed, but yes, if sometimes a mild antibiotic is given to be on a safer side, कि गलती से अगर पानी वानी लग जाए तो आपको बाद में infection नहीं हो, so I give you as per the on a safer side. Doxycycline we do give, otherwise it's an option. You don't take it, doesn't matter.
Okay, Charanjit is asking a question. How many hours did it took for her to do
10
this?
to 15 minutes, Charanjit.
Oh my god, no hours, only minutes. In just 10 to 15 minutes. It's amazing, doctor. And like now, a very, very, very important question from my mother's side. Of course, the biggest question right now, is it economical? What's the cost of doing all this?
Okay, the cost of it, the charges are 3,500 I charge for doing 1 hole and 5,000 for both the holes.
Wow.
So
less than a meal you have in a good 4-star hotel.
yes,
Yeah.
so the charges, yes, they are uniform. More or less in all cities the charges may be little bit here and there more, but moreover the charges are uniform, and we don't really, every 2 years we revise the charges.
Okay, so lovely. So doctor is saying it is like literally a 3,500 for 1 year, and I really appreciate, doctor. Not many people open up their the cost so transparently. I really admire that quality of yours. You've like just given them directly.
Because
And
I already say I'm good with the results, so
you are
nothing
so
doing with the charges are okay. We need to charge you, but yes, we are good with the results, so people do.
So Vanita is definitely saying more discounts. And Vanita, she's already given such an amazing rate. I'm sure like this is already a very discounted
I
rate
would
per
say,
se.
Vanita, go with the results. Discounts.
Yeah, especially for procedures like these, which are medical procedures, and I suppose you should not really mess around with it. And she is economical, much lesser than a facial we go through in a beauty parlor, rather than getting this done. Doctor, a very important question after this one. There are many people who are doing this kind of procedure, oroplasty per se, today. A lot of medical practitioners. What exactly makes it unique when somebody comes to Dr. Poonam Sharma? And ma'am,
Okay.
if you can just pull your
There
chair
are
this
people,
side, yeah.
those who are doing stitches. The normally is like people are doing stitches. So well, stitches is a completely different thing what we are doing it. Secondly, there must be people those who are doing what we are doing, because we get people calling us कि अरे वहाँ पे वो हो रहा है, यहाँ वो हो रहा है. But I do closing and new holes together,
Okay.
and nobody is doing that. That I can say.
Okay.
And whatever is closed
At the same time.
same time.
So if you're closing a hole and at the same time you want to
Make
get
a
a
new
new one,
hole.
it's possible.
So you
in one
save
sitting.
that time.
Wow.
Okay, and whatever is closed is going to be closed. Not a single % chance that it is open.
Okay, wow.
That is
So
for sure.
what an amazing guarantee she's giving you. And guys, we try to get this kind of experts only come in on Momo Live, so that you can go ahead with a trusted doctor, a trusted expert in any domain you are seeking you're seeking solutions for. Doctor, important question here, because of course it's related to a procedure where you're doing something related to a medical procedure. If any mother or anybody out here, the patient has a diabetes,
They can easily do it. Sugar
Okay.
patients.
So diabetic
we have-
people can-
Yes, because see, this problem Neha comes after the age of 35
Okay.
or 40. Mostly, I have
Yeah, I
yes
think
young
that-
girls also,
Yeah.
but yes, it's 35 and 40, and sugar, BP, thyroid, everything comes in that age group only.
But do you suggest any specific age group for whole repair treatment as a
No,
doctor?
there is no age group. We have young girls also, because they wear big earrings, or maybe accidental pulling, it gets entangled with their hairs or whatever.
Okay.
So now I cannot say that only the age group is above 40, 45.
Mhm.
It is all the age groups we have it.
Oh.
We have small children also. In North, in Delhi side, we have small babies, because their
Oh.
earrings get stuck to the sweaters and all while pulling
Oh
and
my gosh,
pushing.
accidental.
So accidental pulling is very big with the children. And with elders, yes, wearing big earrings is the good reason.
Yeah, I've seen a lot of senior citizens are facing that kind of
That
issues.
is because of the soft skin. This is just a fatty lobule. So as you get wrinkles on the face, yes, your fatty lobule, this lobe becomes thin.
Okay.
So when you are getting old,
Oh.
you get this.
So
problem.
chances of this
Yes,
problem
it's
increases
more.
as you age
Yes,
more.
yes, you
Okay.
get more.
Oh, okay. So guys, a lot of you have even raised issues about your mother and mother-in-law. So she's given a logic on why it happens. And if somebody is facing that issue, rather than doctor, if somebody is prolonging it, for example, today they have it and they do the treatment after. I suppose you
We
must
have
be
it.
letting
We
people
have
know.
it. I think we
So
have
does it really
people.
impact if you
Yes.
come early or
no,
if you come
no.
late?
What it is like, we have people, those who think about it, but it's not an emergency procedure, so they prolong it.
Okay.
We have people coming, rushing in two cases. Either they split the hole into two pieces, like
Oh,
broken
shucks,
into two
shucks,
pieces,
and
or you lose a pair of earring. So that is
So
the
one is
time.
economical, guys. The other one is, of course, something which is medical related and
That
something
is the
where
time
harm
you say, ki, okay, I want to do it today only.
So don't lose
Otherwise-
your diamond earrings.
Otherwise, it's always they take their own time, and I say, okay, take your own time and come to me. Then.
Okay, so lovely. So, doctor, a lot of people are, asking a lot of questions. We'll take up. Sonal is asking how much time does it take to heal after the procedure?
Yes,
is
for
done?
doing it, it takes just few minutes, but it takes 8 to 10 days to heal. The
Okay.
healing time is 8 to 10 days. 4 to 6 weeks, Sonal, you are supposed to wear earring, whatever I make you wear. So
Mhm.
the holes are healed properly, and then you start wearing your own earring.
And what earring she's talking about. The best part is after coming in here, she was quite kind to say that Neha, people will be sharing this video from Universal Mom's page on their timeline with public
Yes.
settings open. She's giving away not one but two but three set of these amazing safe ear studs to these mothers. So you should try to grab one, and in fact it's a very informative session. More than the earrings, you need to share this kind of information on your timeline so that your friends, people who you know in your ecosystem, if they are suffering from this issue, they should rush into an expert like this. Okay, so amazing. Dr. Beena Reddy is saying a very beautiful thing. She's saying, great, I'll fix up an appointment for my mom. Since years we were waiting something for this because she was very, very scared. This sounds very, very good. Please share your address near Borivali.
Yes.
So of course, addresses
put the
I suppose
address
we
over
could.
here.
Everybody is asking for your clinic address. I suppose as we are done with this live, you'll have a lot of patients already coming in. Okay, Meenal is asking, do you have something in Mulund?
No, we don't have anything in Mulund. I think Chembur is convenient for you there.
Okay, yeah, Chembur is quite centralized, guys. I suppose people from Bandra, people from Mulund, Ghatkopar, everybody can come into the Chembur.
Yes, how about the edit?
Piercing for years, I love to wear a small one that's very sensitive. Will it be painful?
It's not painful, but yes, we do it with the local cartilage piercing. Is little painful,
Okay.
so we do it with the local over there.
Okay, and doctor, I'll tell you about my thing. I've not really told you. I've got a hole pierced earlier, and that hole is closed also. It's not painful,
You
no
want to
problem,
pierce
but the dot
again?
is there.
Okay.
So what do you suggest? Should I pierce it
Nothing.
again or should I not do anything?
If you want to wear, pierce it again, otherwise leave it.
Otherwise it will heal because there's
No.
this dot since...
It will not go.
So
It
this
will
never
be
go.
there. It will be
The
there.
dot will be
It
forever.
will be there.
So yeah, I suppose I should get it pierced. What do you suggest, mothers? Should I pierce one more on the top? This was during my college days. I did it, and now it's closed completely. So whatever you suggest, then I'll do it, mothers. So I'll do it. Nirupama is saying, Neha, I want an appointment. Nirupama, sorry, I can't give you an appointment, but I'll
Just
definitely
call
put in
to
the numbers
clinic
there.
and take a
Yeah,
time.
she'll definitely come back to you. Sonal is saying, I'm already in love with those cute studs. Thank you for answering my question. Ansi saying, wow, we are in Chembur. So Chembur rocks, Ansi, amazing that you're already there. Okay, and okay, Nirupama is saying, I'll be in Chembur, so I want appointment. So I suppose everybody just wants appointment. You don't want to talk to me anymore. I suppose this doctor is fantastic, guys. And doctor, if you can quickly brief up the entire thing, like I'll do it for you and let me know if it's right. This is a non-surgical holes repair procedure which is called oroplasty, and it's the advantages of the same is it doesn't really have pain,
It's
doesn't
no
really
pain,
burns,
no burning effect, no medications required. It's quick,
no side effects
no side effects.
at all.
See, now the side effects, it's because if you are not taking care of new hole, you may get pain in the new hole. If you say, ki, okay, I pierced, but I stopped cleaning, I forgot cleaning, so obviously you will get pain.
So you have to take care of that.
Yes,
That's
the
of course,
post-care
that's
is
there
very
in
much
everything.
needed.
Every
Nothing with closing, but yes, new holes are very important. You should take care of new hole. We give you all the instructions printed.
okay.
We give you the cleaning liquid. Everything is given.
Wow.
But yes, you
So
should.
guys,
take
even
care.
if we get a simple thing like a highlights or a color done, to manage it, we have to do a post-care management. And so of course, this is very sensitive, and you've been waiting to do this in a long time. So make sure to not have any side effects. You are following the procedure she'll tell you about. This is permanent, doctor.
Whatever is closed permanently.
Okay.
Even the line gradually goes, Neha. But
Okay.
yes, new hole one has to be careful. Otherwise, new holes can come down again in future. It depends on your usage, depends on your skin type and what type of earrings you are using.
Oh, okay. So do you suggest something, doctor?
Yes, when you are doing it for first few weeks, you are supposed to wear a small earring.
But is it? It has to be gold only,
You
or
can wear anything and everything.
Oh.
That's no problem.
any
Be
rough
your-
metal,
no,
plastic?
be,
anything?
no artificial.
No artificial,
Be your
yeah.
own judge. Whenever you wear something, if it is hurting you, if it is giving you any pain, bleeding in the new hole, that means please don't wear that earring. Simple.
Okay,
Be
okay.
your
See, a lot of mothers have sensitive skins, but at times they want to flaunt some artificial jewelry. Doctor, is there any
Yes, that's a
solution?
simple thing. You will get, guys, nowadays ear lift. You can get it from Amazon also.
Okay.
Just
What is
paste-
called ear lift?
Yes, it's just a small silicone sticker. Just paste it behind, wear your earring, flaunt your earring, come back to it and wear the earrings your own.
Oh, so it's kind of a silicone sticker, guys. Please do go check it out on Amazon. And if you're coming to the doctor, she'll show you in person what it is, and you can definitely keep wearing whatever you want to wear. In fact, they can wear it always. Whenever they change it, they
No,
can
it's
just put
not
it.
needed
No?
for always. But
Okay.
whenever you're wearing a big one or something, you know the Jadao Polki styles, then
You
it
should.
gives a support.
Okay, so this is amazing discussion we had with this beautiful doctor who has not just highlighted, about the entire surgical, non-surgical process. She has also talked about various other aspects. Doctor, to begin with, of course, prevention is always better than cure. And on the parting words, I want to know from you to avoid or prevent from this kind of thing. Of course, you have told us about the ear lift thing, which you can keep
the
using
best thing is at least try to make a habit that you remove your earrings at night and
while
sleep.
sleeping.
And if not that, though, at least while washing your hairs, please open your earrings and wash your hairs. Lot of time your hairs get entangled and they cut it very badly. So if you just follow the simple 2 things also, they help you.
Okay, so lovely. So guys, I suppose you've got lot of amazing. Yeah, Charanjit is saying it's a trend, Neha. You should go ahead. Yeah. Okay, so I should. Okay, thank you, Charanjit. I love it. Sonal is saying yes, Neha, go for it. Okay, so I'll also definitely book up an appointment. It's amazing, doctor. She already has 10 to 12 patients waiting outside.
Ashita, we are in Jaipur.
Okay, Ashita is asking.
Yes, we do have it in Jaipur also.
And you're traveling to Jaipur soon?
Not
ma'am?
soon.
Okay, but we'll
After all
update it.
festive season.
Okay, so you can have a number. You can ask her whenever she's traveling to Jaipur. Their clinic people can send you a message, and that time you can be
Yes.
in touch, right? Amazing. So yeah, silicone stickers, Poonam, is an amazing idea. And guys, if you have attended a last meet, she's also sponsored some amazing ear studs. And again, as I told you, people who will share this video from Unimo Universe of Moms on your own timelines with the settings open, public setting, and few hashtags which I'll give you right now, will be eligible. 3 of you will be eligible to win these beautiful studs from Dr. Poonam Sharma. And guys, if you're suffering through this specific thing, please don't delay it more. Come to a doctor. I'm not just saying that come to Dr. Poonam Sharma, but any doctor who's a renowned one, who has been practicing for like say 10, 15, 20 years like her, and go and get it done, because today the science has developed so much that you have ear holes repair or a plasty already in here in cities like Bombay and all over India, which is a painless, no burning, no medications, no side effects, permanent, quick and absolutely safe procedure. And she's doing it only in one go, which is a USP, so you don't really have to waste much of a time. Take a chutti. Doctor, are you open on Sundays and Saturdays?
No, I don't work on Sundays, but yes, I do work on Sundays in Delhi.
Okay.
That's the only place.
And here Saturdays?
Yes, I do. Work
Okay, so
on
Bombay
Saturdays.
Saturdays, guys, fix up an appointment if you're a working mom. If you're a non-working mom, fix up any day of the week and get it done. And do share your feedback on it after you're done with the procedure with Dr. Poonam Sharma. I would love to read your comments, because this is the way we try to develop the community more, by bringing in talented mommies like
Thank
them.
you so much.
Always meeting you all, who are my favorite mothers, and it's always a pleasure to talk to you all. And doctor, anything from you on the last bye-bye note?
It's a very good thing to meet you all people. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye
Thank you, doctor. Thank you for taking your time. Thank you, guys. I'm not taking more time. Already have around 100 comments already, doctor, for you. And doctor will definitely answer them one-on-one, because it's not
Yes.
possible to take up all the questions, guys. So she will, or her staff will definitely answer on these. So keep, I would say, keep asking questions, keep commenting on this live, keep it trending such that others also see it and ask their queries. On that note, bye-bye. It's always a pleasure to talk to all of you. And very soon we'll be bringing a new live session with an amazing expert again. On that promise, bye-bye. See you all.